What's up? It's your boy J Dub making a video of the 4.3 Silverado 2000 engine that I put off in here. 2000 Blazer. You know what I'm saying? The Blaze. Looking good. I would do the video with it running, but right now can't do that. I gotta change out the fuel injections. The engine was sitting around for a while before I picked it up, so I need to get those changed out. Perfectly good engine. Everything good straight on it. Good strong engine. Just gotta get those changed out. She's looking good. Charging up the battery right now. Car's been sitting up for about 2 months, 2.5 months now. But it's all good. Looking good. Pretty happy with it. The Blaze. You know. Get off in here. Flip up Jensen. X in there. 15-inch flip down with the lights up at top. Orion door speakers, tweeters. Back here, the Rockford Falls gauge. I got another pair. Those Orions. Throw off in there. Just ain't done it yet. Give you another look at this 15-inch. It's right here in my way, really. I don't like to drive with it down too much. Give you a look at the back. Hifonics 1700 regular box out of local audio shop. I'm gonna go ahead and build me a whole new box. It's gonna pretty much take up this whole back. Make sure you get that SX right there. Bam. Kinetics 1400 Planet Audio capacitor with a voltage meter. Only got that just for the voltage meter, so it's all good. Epicenter back there. Can't really see it. My bad. I got my phone charged up to the charger. But yep, this is a simple video of the Blaze. I got more coming of it.